As streamside management zones are the most critical areas for sedimentation of streams, it's important to properly stabilize the soil next to the streams and within the streamside management zone for the size of the stream. This includes seeding and mulching, and of course, perennial streams and intermittent streams are within 100 feet, and ephemeral streams are within 25 feet. Keep in mind this includes all disturbed soil and not just roads. When you are operating within the streamside management zone, you may need to take extra precautions such as installing silt fence or hay bales to help keep sediment from reaching the stream. Keep in mind in this picture though that this is not optimum. You want to install the silt fence before you would have any sort of problem so that it can be properly trenched in and installed. Silt fence really isn't designed to be installed where you have active water flow. It works to filter out sediment from overland water, and it still allows fine particulates through, as can be seen in the picture below the installed silt fence here. In the case of a ditch line, you would probably be better off to go with either a rock dam or with hay bales staked in the ditch. But keep in mind, it will require regular maintenance, shoveling the heavy sediment from above so that it doesn't just get clogged up and run around. If you're going to spend the money to install silt fence, please do yourself a favor and make sure it is installed correctly. It has to be buried at least 6 inches deep and 6 inches back away from the fence towards the direction you want to stop the sediment. Otherwise, you're just wasting money, as any sediment that does accumulate will just push underneath the fence or push the fence over and keep going. As discussed earlier, hay or straw bales can also be used as a sediment catch device, but they do need to be staked, and it's best if they are trenched in a little bit on the bottom so that no sediment can just run underneath of them and they can't be pushed out by the weight of the flow. You must remove tops and trees from perennial and intermittent streams. If it has a chainsaw mark on it, you need to pull it out. If it's an ephemeral stream, it is all right to leave the tops in the stream. The reason we want you to pull the tops out of the stream is to prevent debris dams. Debris dams can exacerbate flash flooding issues, causing large ponds which break and travel downstream and can be dangerous to houses and people living below. If you're in an unfortunate situation where you must have your landing within the streamside management zone, please keep the stream channel free of debris while you're operating, and keep in mind you may need a barrier between your disturbed landing soil and the stream channel. Distance is your friend when dealing with streamside management zones. When you are forced to operate next to a stream, you have no distance, and small problems can quickly become big problems. When you must operate next to a stream, please use barriers to help keep sediment from infiltrating the stream channel.